Let me say this one time, yeah, one time.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. It's actually been about a year since I made my last video, and I also filmed this video 2 months ago, so even the fact that I'm like getting back to do it, I think is impressive, guys. Today's video is all about my trip to the Bay Area. I grew up there as a kid, but my boyfriend had never been to California before, so it was really nice for him to be able to see where I grew up and meet my family. Now I just lost my train of thought. It was also a work trip, so it made it really inexpensive for us to go, worked out really perfectly, and I got to spend time with my family who I hadn't seen in about a year and a half. So we'll get right into it. Maggie is here to welcome us, and let's get going. Aren't you just the cutest thing? So our day actually started around 4 a.m. because our friend got his truck broken into, but we got to the airport, flew out, and then we picked up our rental car. She was a cute little Macan. I love that car. That's my dream car. But after we picked that up, we just went to meet up with my family and do intros, all that fun stuff. The first stop on Julian's list was definitely Apple Park, so we hit that one first. And I had actually never been in the visitor center either, so it was really nice, completely filled with glass, and then the actual spaceship was massive. It was crazy to see. But we got a cute little t-shirt and got to climb up a bunch of stairs, which obviously my brother was a huge fan of. And then we were honestly just so dead tired that we took a nap. Julian knocked out, as you'll see. So we just relaxed and then headed to some ramen. I don't know about you guys, but I could eat ramen every single day of my life, but it has to be the thick noodles. Like, it has to be that kind or I'm not gonna like it. This was me asking to be fed. After we ate, we just went straight to sleep. I was exhausted, but that's pretty much it for day one. The legging curls on this trip saved my entire life. Without the humidity, my curls stayed all day. I didn't have to worry about them in the morning because I just woke up, took them out, and they were already looking perfect. But anyway, this day we went to San Francisco and toured the Palace of Fine Arts, which we have some really cool drone footage of, so I'm excited to show you guys. But I got my little smudgy changed outfits, and look at him, look at all fancy. San Francisco was the next stop, so we started driving over, got a little pastry snack from a bakery that I love. I got this like Chinese hot dog situation with cheese. It was so good. Once we got to San Francisco, our first stop was Chinatown because I really wanted to explore and also try the bakery goods there. I had like a little curry puff, and then we made it to the Palace of Fine Arts. So I have a couple of little clips that I'm going to share with you guys here, all taken with the drone, so let's do it.
I told you every single time, don't you worry. You would always call me at the wrong time, so you can know what I was up to. Oh, don't you get that it's just stupid? Hey, just hear me out. It's been a while since we were good, so why we dragging out when we've been doing everything we could? I don't wanna feel so lonely tonight. Every time we spend time, I wanna do this for the last time. I don't need it, no, I don't need it, no, don't need you here to feel alright.
I think the drone is so cool. I think we got it with an Amazon gift card from like points that we had, and then it was only like $50 after that. So I'll link it in the description below and you guys can check it out. But we went back, had some dinner with my family. We went to a Japanese restaurant, and again, guess what I got? Ramen. But also had some sushi, and my family friend got this amazing sashimi platter. And it had like tuna and smoke. It was insane. And my brother's just looking at it like, what is going on here? We ended the day with blackjack and on to day 3. So So on the agenda for day 3, we had Salesforce Tower and Golden Gate Bridge. I know you guys are excited for that footage also, but we started on the drive there again. This time we got to drive through a lot more of the downtown area, so we saw a lot more buildings and skyscrapers, and Salesforce Park is actually on top of the towers, so it's like a rooftop little haven. It was amazing. I would definitely recommend going, or we will be going back, but it was just serene, calm. Everybody was there to really just take time out of their day and relax. If we had something like this in Houston on a rooftop, I would go every single day, no doubt. I would be there. Julian, the cameraman, was hard at work here. He actually also took the drone footage as well, so those are up on my Instagram if you guys want to check those out. And next stop was Golden Gate Bridge. If you're visiting San Francisco, it's just something that you have to do. You gotta go see it. The view of the bay from the viewpoint area is just astounding. It's gorgeous. And it's so calm. The weather's nice. It's very windy up there. So the drone was having kind of a hard time, as you guys will see. But let's cue the music. I know you guys want one of those drones now, don't you? They're so freaking cool. And then we got some food. We're going to dumpling time, or we are at dumpling time, so I'm excited. And it looks really good. It has a lot of good reviews. I'm getting soup dumplings. The entire experience of eating soup dumplings is so much fun. They're one of my favorite foods. I was really happy with these dumplings too. They were really good. Ooh. Good. But that was really it, you guys. We got some boba on our last day. Does it taste different? And Julian almost missed our flight. This is the face of a man who almost missed his flight. That's some coffee.
For you.
Our flight stopped at Vegas and we saw this setup for the F1 Las Vegas race, so it was really cool to see that. I got a little t-shirt, and if you don't know, Julian and I have a company that sells F1 themed neon lights, so check that out. There was definitely also a bottleneck situation going on because there was like 9 planes behind us in line just waiting to take off. But yeah, that is it for today. Thank you so much if you stuck around till the very end. I hope you enjoyed it. I had a good time making it. So I will catch you guys next time. Bye.